Hey guys, what's up? So today we're going to do a little video about 3. It's been a while since I've done a video specifically for 3. So I figured, I've seen a few different comments about, is 3 going to get restored? When is 3 going to get restored? Are you still planning to restore 3? And instead of, because I have responded to the comments, but I wanted to go ahead and make a video addressing the entire situation, because I don't think I ever made one like I planned to for School Bus Heritage's YouTube channel. But basically, I just want to tell you where we're at and just kind of share some things. First off, I do want to talk about School Bus Heritage. For the time being, School Bus Heritage is on hold. I would like to do something else with it. It's becoming ever more clear that it's probably not going to be what I originally intended it to be. Because, for that to happen, you need resources, and a lot of those resources that one would need for that to work, I don't have. I've tried fundraising, and I've tried all that stuff, but it just never worked, and, that's not really anybody's fault. But, so School Bus Heritage is really on hold. And what I've been trying to do is direct everybody from School Bus Heritage to my YouTube channel, because at this point, anything School Bus Heritage related or in the realm of that is going to be on here. I probably need to make an official video for the School Bus Heritage YouTube channel, but right now, all my time and effort is going into this YouTube channel and, that. So that's the first part of this. The second part is 3. So I have had 3 officially now for 6 years, which is crazy. And out of the 2 buses I got, when I got 3, you would think that 66 would have been the one I would still have if I was to get rid of one. But no, it's 3. So 3 really hasn't changed much. I've done a few cosmetic things to make it look a little bit better, but this is kind of where we're at. It needs work that I am not able to do, and the big thing is I don't have the money to do it. At the base level of any type of restoration job to be done on this bus, I need a building, because the bus needs to be taken apart. I know there's not a lot to take apart, but it needs to be taken apart so that it can be rebuilt. And I don't have that ability right now. So, really, it's not that I don't want to restore 3. It's the fact that I don't have the ability to restore 3 where it's at right now and how it sits. Because, obviously, I can't do all the restoration work out here. It needs to be in a building so I can take the windows out. And I can do the body work and disassemble and then reassemble and put it all back together. And that's just not something I have the ability to do right now. And it's not just because I don't have the money. I also don't really have the time. It is something I would love to do, but it would take a good amount of time and money that I don't have. If something was to happen and for some reason I came into that time and money, absolutely, I would put the effort into restoring this bus. There aren't a lot of Waynes around that are still in like 45's condition. And if I had the ability to make this bus in that running, driving condition again, I would. But it's a lot easier said than done. And, I do appreciate your guys' support and asking about it, but this is just kind of where we're at. I just wanted to film this quick video just to kind of talk about it, because like I said, I've seen comments and people asking. There's a lot that needs to be done here. First of all, just to kind of put things in perspective, I've got all my bus parts in here. So obviously, if the bus was going to get restored, I'd have to take all of that out. The floor needs redone. I don't know if I would be able to find seats for this or not. That's another thing. Seats. And then Wayne bus parts. In most cases, I would have to go find another Wayne to use for parts for this bus. I do have some Wayne parts, but I don't have everything I would need. The chassis is a little bit different. It's very likely that I could find the parts for the international part of this bus a lot easier than I could the Wayne part. But at the end of the day, there's just a lot of work here that, you know, it needs, or it would need, that I just can't do. So right now and for the foreseeable future, you know, it's going to be my storage bus. That's about what it's, you know, the only thing it's good for at this point in time. You know, the one thing I do want to do is I want to get a window to fill in this hole right here, because I don't like having that open to the elements. I really don't. So that's a plan. I'm really going to put that on my summer to-do list this year, is to try to get at least one Wayne window. This one over here is a little bent up, so ideally if I can get two so I can replace this one, that would be great. But I don't know that I will be able to do that. I at least want to get one. So, you know, that's pretty much where we're at. I don't really have much else to add to that, just other than the fact that it's not going to happen right now. If it ever happens, you know, if I was able to, I absolutely would. If I was able to take this bus somewhere and start working on it, absolutely. You know, that is something I would love to do, but it's just not something that I can do. So, you know, like I said, I just wanted to do this video just so everybody's on the same page, because here recently I have seen quite a few comments asking me about 3 and if and when it's ever going to be restored, and that's just kind of where we're at. In the meantime, I've got 45, and 45 is in very good shape for its age, so at least I have that. And I mean, worst case scenario, I have to use 3's body parts for 45. So, you know, that's kind of where we're at. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and yeah.